ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് 7/11/2021 നടന്ന PSC അക്കൗണ്ട് ആൻഡ് ക്യാഷ്യർ എക്സാമിൻ്റെ പാർട്ട് 1 ഫുൾ ആൻസേഴ്സുമായിട്ടാണ് ഞാൻ വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. ആൻസേഴ്സ് എല്ലാം 1 by 1 ആയിട്ട് തന്നെ പറയാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ഇഫ് ദ എമൗണ്ട് ഓഫ് എനി നോൺ ലയബിലിറ്റി ക്യാൻ ബി ഡിറ്റർമൈൻഡ് വിത്ത് സബ്സ്റ്റാൻഷ്യൽ ആക്യുറസി. ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി, എ പ്രൊവിഷൻ ഷുഡ് ബി ക്രിയേറ്റഡ്. നെക്സ്റ്റ്, when closing capital is greater than opening capital, it denotes option C, profit if there is no introduction of fresh capital. Next, third one, the total sum payable by the hirer under a hire purchase agreement in order to complete the purchase of or acquisition of property in the goods is known as. The answer is option D, hire purchase charges. Next, equity shares issued at the discount or for consideration other than cash for providing no, how or making available rights in the nature of intellectual property rights or value addition are known as. Answer is option D, sweet equity shares. Next, a bill of exchange must be. The answer is option B, unconditional. Next question, when an underwriter agrees to buy a definite number of shares or debentures in addition to the shares or debentures he has to take under the underwriting agreement, it is known as. Answer is option A, firm underwriting. Next question, net payment method is used to calculate. The answer is option B, purchase consideration. Next, surplus account is transferred by the vendor company at the time of absorption to. The answer is option C, equity shareholders account. Next question, when statutory reserve of the vendor company is maintained by the purchasing company, then purchasing company gives debit to. The answer is option D, capital reserve account. Option D, capital reserve account. Next, which of the following should be deducted from the share capital to find out paid up capital? The answer is option B, calls in arrear. Next question, capital gearing ratio denotes the relationship between option D, equity shareholders fund and long-term borrowed fund. Answer option D. Next question, 50,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each issued at rupees 20 for the purpose of redemption of preference share capital amounting rupees 750,000. How much amount will be transferred to capital redemption reserve? Answer is option B, rupees 250,000. Next, as per S14, purchase consideration is what is payable to. Answer is option D, shareholders. Next, discount on issue of share is. Answer option B, capital loss. Next question, that part of share capital which can be called up only on the winding up of the company. Answer is option A, reserve capital. Next question, the process of collecting cost data through an accounting system is known as. Answer is option C, cost accumulation. Next, prime cost plus factory overhead cost is. Answer is option A, conversion cost. Option A, conversion cost. Next question, basic objective of cost accounting is. Answer is option C, cost ascertainment. Next, warehouse rent is part of. Option B, distribution overhead. Answer option B, distribution overhead. Next, in the context of standard costing, basic standard is established for. Answer is option D, predefined period. Next, a variable such as activity that causes cost over a given time. The answer is option B, cost behavior. Next, the cost that is irretrievable by managerial actions and not relevant to current decision making. The answer is option B, sunk cost. Next, the value of benefit sacrificed in favor of an alternative course of action is, the answer is option C, opportunity cost. Next, reorder quantity 2000 unit lead time 4 to 8 weeks, usage maximum 500 units per week, normal usage 400 units per week, minimum usage 300 units per week. The maximum stock level is, answer is option D, for 800 units. Next, the method of recording the employee time that will be paid by the firm is known as, answer is option C, timekeeping. Next, who is the founder of modern motion study techniques? The answer is option D, Frank M. Gilbreth. The next question, process of studying and assessing relative values of job is known as, answer is option C, job evaluation. Next, under Halsey-Plan bonus is paid, the answer is option D, at 50% of time saved. Next, contract costing is the most appropriate method of costing for, the answer is option B, construction industry. Next, which of the following statement are not correctly matched? The answer is option C, period cost, added value of a new product. Next, which costing method is appropriate for cement industry? The answer is option A, single or output costing. Next question, cost reduction demands, the answer is the option C, corrective action. Next, anything for which a separate measurement of cost is desired is, the answer is option A, cost object. Next, costs incurred for the period and within certain limits of activity level and tend to be unaffected by fluctuations in the activity level are known as, the answer is option B, fixed cost.
ഈ വീഡിയോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടാൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. ബൈ.